Do you have a bunch of branches and twigs and things like this that you just want to be able to chop up? Well, I got something that can fix that for you. Here's an electric wood chipper. It's very easy to use. Show you what it looks like here. Here is the cord. You simply just plug it in. You have your on and off switch right there. I do like the fact that it is on wheels. Makes it very easy for moving around. And the legs that you see here make it nice and stable. It does come with this nice bag here that collects all the wood chippings. You just hook it around like this. Pull it up in front. It's that simple. It comes with this pusher to help aid you push it down in there. Now you might be wondering just how big of a branch can you put in there. It states that it can do up to 1 3/4 of an inch thick. These aren't quite that thick, but let's see how it does with these. This thing really tucks it in very strong. You can see there about 1.5 inches. Well, that one was a little bit rougher, but it did it. It got the job done. Now let's take a look at those wood chips. Perfect. Now I have some extra wood chips or mulch that I can put out. So my thoughts on this actually exceeded my expectations. It worked a little bit better for what I need around here. This really gets the job done well.